Hey guys, yes it is me, Pour and Pause. You guys know I coupon, but I am making my lunch for this week and I thought, why not share what I do? Because it might give someone some inspiration. Okay, I'm heading to Aldi just because it's 5 minutes from where I live and it's usually not crowded. I can get in and out. Now, as soon as I get my quarter to work, we'll head right in. Just inside the door are these delightful vanilla wafer cookies, and I buy them every time I come here. Yes, they're $2.99, but in other places they're $4.99, and it's just a little treat that I get just because. Okay, now I've got to get serious. I'm over in the bread section. I am not the healthy person. I don't care if it's wheat bread. I like white wheat, but I will eat white bread. 79 cents is in my budget, so I'm picking up one of these. When I make my lunches, I like to pick up 2 fruits and 2 vegetables. I can't eat the same thing every day when I meal prep. I wanted honeydew, they're out, so I'm looking at the cantaloupe. They're $2.29. It hurts paying for fruit and vegetables, and these don't look so great. So let me see if I can find one that's decent, and maybe this one looks okay, so I'm going to add it to the cart. Switching to the other side where the fruit is, I don't like raspberries and blueberries and blackberries because they mold so quickly, but I do see grapes. That's kind of pricey. $1.49 isn't bad, but the red seedless grapes, yes, 99 cents. Most people would think I'm kind of boring because carrots are my go-to. Normally I buy the bag where you have to peel them, but this time 79 cents comes out a lot cheaper and they're already cut. Okay, is it just me or is cheese like super expensive now and no one has a sale? Well, kind of a sale. It was $1.99, now it's $1.85. Well, I'm picking up the Colby Jack block so I can cube it, slice it, or shred it. I'm not big on sandwiches, but I made one last week that was so amazingly incredible because I had a farm-grown tomato and I still have half a tomato left, so I'm looking for luncheon meat to make another sandwich. I'm usually looking for the 1 pound bag, and it's kind of hard to find now. These are kind of pricey too. But that 1 pound bag, there they are. You get a ton for $2.95. So I'm going to pick up one of these. Okay, guys, I don't think I'm ADD, but I cannot help walking down this aisle when I'm in Aldi because you always get stuck at the little things that they just kind of throw over in there for no reason. Like these are really cute and they're good quality. I don't need hand towels, but this aisle I just think is so much fun. This is a great deal. 5 containers for $4.99, but I do have meal prep containers, so I don't care what kind of deal it is. I don't need to spend $5 on something I already have. And I already have one of these, and I actually got mine from Dollar Tree, the little aluminum soup cans that I use. Now this would be perfect for me because I'm just cooking for me at home by myself now unless the kids come over, but it's fine. I already have a travel mug and that's way too small. And just looking at the stuff here really just I need to get out of this aisle. Let me head to checkout. Okay, so for those of you that watch me, you know that I coupon and you will never really see me grocery shop. That's because I only buy things that I use on coupon and or on sale, and I have them at my home already, so I don't need to grocery shop. However, I do buy these for my lunches. I don't count price because it's something that I need. So I paid $15.89. That's in budget. I'm okay with that. This is what I've got. I'm returning my cart and I have to head to one more store because I forgot something. Let me rephrase. I didn't forget it. I have to go to another store to get it. And I really hate going there, but it's the only place I know that has what I need for the price I need. Okay, and here we are at the other store. I am here to pick up a bag of spring mix salad. It will last me for 3 days, the salad will, and I also want to pick up the regular lettuce. Even the clearance wasn't that good. These are just $2 per bag. Well, I'm getting this one for classic salad. I'll pick up one of those, and that one looks pretty decent. But the spring mix is just $2 per bag, which is a really good deal. And like I said, it will make 3 salads for me. So I'll pick up one of these. My second vegetable this week is going to be the cucumber. Aldi didn't have any that looked that great, so I'm going to pick up one for 60 cents. This is my total not bad, $3.84 for here. I'm going home to make lunch. Okay, I'm back home. I already had eggs, so I'm going to boil 5 for this week. Okay, bear with me. I'm trying to make this really short, and I've never edited it like this before. We've got celery, carrot, cantaloupe, and grapes, and we're going to prep each item. First, I cut and do my celery, then I wash and dry my carrots. I do my cantaloupe, half for now, half for next week, and I wash and pat dry half the bag of grapes. Okay, next I pull out all the ingredients to make chicken salad this week. I use mayo and mustard. People do different things. I like sweet relish, not dill. I also salt and pepper to taste. Okay, so for lunch number one, not necessarily day number one, I am going to do a spring salad with chicken salad on top instead of the dressing. So I add the salad to my bento bowl. I do love this one. It's so deep, it holds it perfectly. I then add my chicken salad to the top of it, and then I choose which preps I'm going to use on the side. So I decide on carrots, cantaloupe, and grapes this week. I put my spoon and fork in there, which goes perfectly, seal it up, and that's lunch number one. Okay, for day number two or lunch number two, I'm going to make a more traditional salad using eggs, cucumber, and some of that delicious tomato. I'm also going to use the celery sticks and the grapes. Now, I like peanut butter with my celery sticks, so I'm going to add that, and here we go. And here's what that looks like. I love this bowl because, again, it fits the tray right onto the top of the salad, and I have the little thing in the middle where I put my peanut butter, and I'm taking an extra little cup for my salad dressing, and this is it, lunch number two. Okay, and for lunch number three, I am going to make a turkey sandwich. So first I start off with my bread and my Kerrygold cheese that I get buy one get one free from Publix. I add that to the bottom so it doesn't get soggy. I add the meat. Oops, I almost forgot. I need to put the tomato between the meat and the cheese so it doesn't get soggy. There we go. Now it's right on track. I add the mustard and I add the bread on top. Now guys, I'm trying a new bento bowl and it's really skinny, so I'm going to see how this works. I'm going to squish the sandwich into the bottom part of the bowl. In the next section, I'm going to add a boiled egg and cucumbers with salt and pepper. And in the third one, I'm going to add my cheese, grapes, and cantaloupe. And I'm going to top that off. And that's lunch number three. Okay, and for lunch number four, I'm going to pull back out that spring salad just for the base because I want tuna salad and crackers. I'm going to put that in the base of this bento bowl. It's very deep. I love that. I'm also going to then add the middle layer to it because that's supposed to keep it cold. I do love that. Now, I love this one because the two containers that I snap onto the top are extremely spacious. So I'm going to add cantaloupe to one and celery to the other one. As I mentioned before, I love peanut butter with my celery sticks. So here's lunch number four. And because I don't like to prepare my lunch for more than 4 days and leave it in the fridge, Friday is soup day unless I find a really great deal on BOGO Wednesday at Publix. I also am using my ceramic mug, which heats really well in the microwave. So here are my 5 lunches for the week. I think they're completely amazing. It makes me excited to eat my lunch. It's somewhat healthy. It's not the greatest, but I like it and I look forward to it. So hopefully, guys, I gave you some great ideas and you can do some of these on your own and save a little bit of money. So until next time, guys.